In this video I show you how to use nesting in SASS. Nesting in SASS means that I can add to, for example, in this button green rule, new code, new rule. In this case it's hover, because in normal CSS we can do that. We need just add this code after button green code, but when we use nesting in SASS we can add, for example, hover that class, that something other class inside of other class. Now add a new variable, color white, because we use this. And we just change colors on hover. That background color is color white and color is color green. When we now hover, you see that colors changed. Okay, let's do that to other classes. We put our code inside button yellow class, and we do the same for color for button blue. It's working for every button. I want to add just some new rule for border, because now we don't see very well our button. Okay, now we see button on hover. Let's do this for every button. It's working very well. We don't need to remove this class from button class. This rule from button class. Yes, it's okay. And now I want to show you how to use nesting if we have some wrapper for button. Let's add for every button wrapper. I add to it class button wrapper. I copy this code and add two other buttons. And now we have the structure that button wrapper class is parent class of the button class, and button class is first child for button wrapper. Now I can add styles for this class. I don't see all buttons and I need to add float left, that all buttons go to just one line, and some paddings. Okay, and because button wrapper class is parent class, I can copy this and actually remove and add this code inside button wrapper class, because this code was for buttons, and buttons are the child of button wrapper class. And this code show to us how nesting working for classes. I add tabulation that it looks better. It's very useful, and we have the same buttons that in the beginning, and it's very easy to see in CSS code also structure for HTML code when we use nesting.